Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video we are going to solve the fourth and fifth question of exercise 1.1 rational numbers. So the fourth question is find the multiplicative inverse of the following. If you don't know what is multiplicative inverse, there's a link mentioned in the description. You can go through that video and come back to this again. So let's get started. Multiplicative inverse is also called as a reciprocal of a number. So these are the questions and we are supposed to find the multiplicative inverse of each of these. So this is minus 13, this is minus 13 by 19, 1 by 5 minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. So you're going to multiply this and find the reciprocal of that number, or you're just going to make the reciprocal for each of them and you're just going to multiply. That will be reciprocal. So you have minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 and you have minus 1. So let's get started with the first sub question. So minus 13, and the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is nothing but minus 1 by 13. So as I told you how to find multiplicative inverse, you're just going to divide it with 1, or you're just going to interchange the numerator with the denominator and vice versa. So let's go for the second sub question, that is minus 13 by 19, and when you interchange the numerator and denominator you get 19 by minus 13. So minus 13 that minus sign in the denominator indicates that the whole number is negative, so you can write the minus sign in the numerator. Let's go to the third sub question, that is 1 by 5, and the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. And let's move on to the next question, that is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. So when you multiply them you get 3 5s are 15 and 8 7s are 56, and you have minus sign to each, so those minus are getting cancelled, or when you multiply two negatives it becomes positive. So multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is nothing but 56 by 15. As I told you earlier, you can find the reciprocal directly, the reciprocal of these numbers, and you can calculate or multiply, or you can just simply calculate and reciprocate. So let's move on to the next one, that is minus 1 into minus 2 by 5, which is equals to 2 by 5. So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. We'll move on to the next question, that is minus 1. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 itself. So when you multiply minus 1 into minus 1 you get 1. So if you watch the previous video I have uploaded of multiplicative inverse, you'll get to know what is the multiplicative identity, how to find multiplicative inverse, and what is the reciprocal of a number. So when you multiply minus 1 into minus 1 you get 1, which is multiplicative identity. Let's move on to the next question. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So okay, let's check the questions. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1, into minus 4 by 5 is equals to minus 4 by 5. So you can see here 1 is the multiplicative identity, so it is multiplied with 1, so 1 is a multiplicative identity. When you go for the next one you can see that the order of numbers are changed. So here you have minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7, and here you have minus 2 by 7 first, then minus 13 by 17. So when you come to the here you can observe that there is a commutative property, so it is just because of the commutativity. When we go for the next one, you can say that minus 19 by 29 into 29 by 19 is equals to 1. So you're just multiplying a number with its multiplicative inverse or a reciprocal of a number. So let's see what are the answers. In the solution we have, say, as I told you, we have 1 as a multiplicative identity, so hence it is a multiplicative identity is the property we are using here. Now let's check for the next one. Okay, the order of the numbers are changed in both of these, but it still means the same, so the property of commutativity is used in this equation. We'll move on to the next one, that is minus 19 by 29 into 29 divided by minus 19 is equals to 1. When you multiply them, you can observe that this is the number and this is its multiplicative inverse, or this is a number and this is its multiplicative inverse, and when you multiply them you get 1. So multiplicative inverse is the property used in this equation. In the coming videos we will solve more problems, and you have to subscribe to get those videos on time, and also to hit the bell icon to get notified as early as I upload the video. And also do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching Learn with Sumi.